Hello, Priya. Welcome to Stories of India.
Hi.
और I have so many questions for you, and people know you पहले से ही बहुत ज्यादा. But मैं कोशिश करूंगी कि I will show you some other part of you to the audience, जो उन्हें नहीं पता हो. हम वैसी बातें करेंगे आज.
But I'll say कि like the hidden part should be hidden.
Let's see. ओके, तो शुरू करते लाइक आपके चाइल्डहुड से. आपका चाइल्डहुड कैसा रहा और आपको बचपन से क्या बनना था बड़े होके?
बचपन से तो सी if we'll see every kid either wants to become pilot, Miss India, Miss Universe वगैरह कुछ कुछ होता है और the other thing is astronaut या scientist. So actually I wanted to become all of these three things. I wanted to become pilot. I wanted to become actually हमारे स्कूल में ना there was this like competition happened where someone in my ear said, like my mom in my ear said, तू जाके बोलना कि you are Miss India. And I thought कि ठीक है चलो जाके बोल देती हूँ. And I said मैं I am Miss. I don't know what I said, but I didn't say Miss India. I said something else, like Miss Universe or something. So everyone was like, हमने तो इसको कुछ अलग बताया था. She is just taking a step ahead. So yeah, I wanted to become pilot. I wanted to become Miss Universe, and I wanted to become astronaut. Then astronaut fascinated me way too much. I am actually not from here. I am from MP. So there's this small town, Sagar. Like उसके भी पास में there's this another town called Khurei. So I'm from there. वहाँ से we shifted here in 9th. Till 9th, I was pretty sure that I wanted to become astronaut. When we shifted here, and then after 11th, 12th, for becoming an astronaut only, I took maths, and then I joined college, engineering college. Raipur में ना there was no engineering college that was having the course of astronaut. वो out of Raipur जाना पड़ेगा, and of course being a Sindhi, you're not allowed to go outsides of your city to do like post studies and everything. तो nearby में मुझे civil engineering मिला, and that fascinated me a lot. I don't know why. But then I pursued civil engineering. हाँ, reason was कि civil में ना मेरे को किसी ने बोला civil में ज़्यादा लड़कियाँ नहीं होती और scope अच्छा है. तो अगर लड़कियाँ होती नहीं है तो I'll get jobs easily, and that's how I chose civil engineering. Then I got good grades and everything, and that's how I got selected in NRDA as well. यहाँ पे जो New Rapid Development Authority. I did internship over there for some time. And then further to that, after 6 months, I felt like, no, this is not me. I'm not built to do this civil engineering situation because that was affecting my skin, that was affecting my so many other things. Like मेरे को मजा नहीं आ रहा था वो करने में. धूप is not me. Like I can't stay like very familiar with धूप. I want to stay inside my home and enjoy the luxuries instead. So that's how I dropped civil engineering, and then I pursued fashion designing for a while. How I entered into fashion designing was जब civil engineering drop की ना, in my 4th year of college, I did not repeat a single outfit. Like 8th semester, पूरा semester, I did not repeat a single pant भी, if we say. तो I did not repeat. तो there were a few friends of mine who said कि यार अगर तेरे पास इतने कपड़े हैं, why not enter into influencing? तो I thought कि चलो एक बार ट्राई तो कर ही लेते हैं कि how it feels, how it looks. And अब मेरे को पता भी नहीं था होता क्या. I researched for a while, a few friends helped me out, and at the end अचानक से we entered into the situation where I was actually doing the shoot directly. So in 2018, I started with influencing. And then धीरे धीरे I thought कि if I am into influencing और मैं fashion ही कर रही हूँ, why not initiate with a blogging instead of influencing? क्योंकि influencer का मतलब मेरे को तब भी नहीं पता था. तो when I initiated with blogging, I used to write fashion blogs in WordPress. 2018 में I don't think कोई कर रहा, मतलब of course there were so many people, but रायपुर में कोई नहीं कर रहा था जो लिख रहा था. People were food bloggers here. Yes, there were 3 to 4 bloggers only in Raipur उस time पे. तो but वो लोग भी ना influencers थे, वो लोग blogger नहीं थे, वो लोग blogs नहीं लिख रहे थे. I was the only one who was writing a few things, and I always knew that I am good at writing. So if I was already into fashion and I was into writing too, I thought why not learning fashion and do it more authentically than I'm doing it right now. तो आई डिड फैशन में डिप्लोमा. और जब मैं डिप्लोमा कर रही थी ना तो आई ऑलरेडी हैड इनफ अमाउंट इन माई हैंड्स बिकॉज मैंने ऑलरेडी NIDA से इंटर्नशिप वगैरह कर लिया था. तो आई ऑलरेडी हैड इनफ अमाउंट. तो आई पेड माई फीस एंड एवरीथिंग खुद से. And I started interning at some marketing firm. At some marketing firm, वहाँ पे content writing की internship कर ली मैंने. So I was generating a few amount from there, and then I was investing it in my fashion in this career, and it was very cool ideas because I always knew that I am into writing. क्योंकि मेरे को ना बचपन में से ही ना poetries लिखने वगैरह में I have gotten a lot of awards and everything. So yeah, that's how my fashion designing career started, fashion influencing career started.
Means मेरे एक सवाल में I have covered your my 2-3 questions together because the next question was this only कि what is the story behind being influencer and why you choose this fashion wala. So you have answered this all.
There is one more thing I would like to add up here. जब मैं fashion influencing कर रही थी ना, just after a year, 2019 में मेरा I got 3,500 followers. मतलब 9 months में उस time पे ये इतने followers लाना was a task. तो 2019 आई गेस जून था नहीं मई में माई अकाउंट गॉट डीएक्टिवेटेड बिकॉज सम फेक अकाउंट्स होते हैं ना ऐसे. उस टाइम पे तो बहुत आते थे कि समवन क्रिएटेड एन अकाउंट विथ माई नेम एंड आई अपलोडेड अ स्टोरी saying report this account. People started reporting my account and my account got banned for no reason. And then I was like, trauma ki ye kya hua, because I was considering this as my career for some time. And then like I am very blessed enough for the people around me. They all helped me out in generating good amount of followers once again. मतलब मैंने जून में फिर से वो पूरा account create किया and within 15 days I had 1,500 followers back. And then now is the journey where I am right now at 10.4K followers.
Very nice. आपको जो अब तो खैर आपने अपने सवाल के जवाब में मुझे बता ही दिया है कि हाउ हैव यू हैव चूजन योर लाइक दिस नीश प्रॉपर फैशन वाला बिकॉज यू हैव सो मेनी क्लोथ्स. दिस इज व्हाई. तो कभी ऐसा लगा कि मैं कुछ और कर सकती थी इसके अलावा या कुछ और करना चाहिए था?
जी फैशन मैंने इनिशिएट किया था फैशन से, but now I'm not at all a fashion blogger because I can see that like people have immense amount of knowledge about fashion and I am standing nowhere near them. तो आई थॉट कि यार नहीं आता, जब जो चीज़ मेरे को नहीं आती है मेरे को नहीं करनी चाहिए. आई एंटर्ड इनटू लाइफस्टाइल बिकॉज ना उस टाइम पे फैशन ब्रांड्स वर फ्रॉम वर नॉट actually familiar with the term influencers. And of course, I got collaborations with Myntra. Myntra say I collaborated for 3 months where they used to send me garments of like 30,000 and I used to create content for them and I used to upload the content in whatever the scenarios according to them were. So after the Myntra got winded up ना, I realized that I should do something more. ये ना बहुत basic सा चीज़ है. इसके लिए I don't think कि I will be becoming an entrepreneur. जब मैं fashion कर रही थी ना तब तक साथ में I started a social media agency too. वो उस टाइम पे there was a lot of craze going on for social medias and everything. तो as I initiated a social media journey तो I like वो होता है ना, अब being Sindhi you have to do a business. अगर आप business में नहीं हो आप सिंधी के नाम पे धप्पाओ. तो दुकान तो नहीं जाना था मेरे को because Sindhi people usually are associated with दुकान. So I thought, let's not go ahead with dukaan, let's go with office. And I always had an idea, there's this movie called Devil Wears Prada. I hope you have watched it. ये रिकॉर्ड करना है. You कट जाएगा ना? ठीक है. हाँ. So yeah, there's this movie called Devil Wears Prada, and there's this character in this movie called Miranda Priestly. This character fascinated me a lot. Like this allured me a lot. क्या हुआ? वो the character is a boss lady, a bitchy boss lady, where she is just telling people to do just certain thing and she is getting it done. She doesn't have to hustle इतना सा भी about whatever is getting done around her. She's just getting all in her plate by just demanding for that. Even the way she is working and everything is getting done all together. So these things fascinated me a lot, and the way she was talking, the entire vibe of her, I wanted to have it all in me. And this movie is about Anna from Vogue. उसी time पे ना the documentary they wanted to do, but somehow they could not do the documentary. Instead, they created a movie on that particular woman and initiated with this, मतलब वो runway नाम दिया उन लोगों ने उस magazine का, and Miranda was the character. Although she wasn't the main character, main lead, but she actually grabbed the attention of a lot of audience. And that's how I wanted to become her. वो बनने के लिए I started magazine.
So you have started your own magazine with the name of
Mom India.
okay, and कब से मतलब आपकी ये magazine launch हुई है, means
It has just been a year. Yes, acceleration said.
okay.
That's it.
और इसके पीछे, इस मैगजीन को स्टार्ट करने के पीछे का कोई स्टोरी आप?
Of course, there are many. तो जैसे 6 साल पहले मैंने ये मूवी देखी. I am a big fat movie fan. Like if there is a binge watching scenario happening, I'm always in for that particular situation. तो there's this I watched this movie and I wanted to become her. Astronaut वाला सपना तो चला गया था पहले ही. तो when I wanted to become her, I had an idea कि चलो मैगजीन तो करनी है. एंड आई स्टार्टेड, जैसे मैंने सोशल मीडिया एजेंसी इनिशिएट किया, वो धीरे धीरे करते करते ना आई स्टार्टेड लर्निंग राइटिंग, आई स्टार्टेड लर्निंग मार्केटिंग, आई स्टार्टेड लर्निंग अ लॉट ऑफ मीडिया टेक्निकलिटीज जो होती है. वो करते करते I did a few jobs, I did a few interviews. I have done more than 300 interviews. If you'll just name my if you'll just Google my name and you'll get an idea कि what all interviews I have done till today. तो जब when I was doing it all ना, I realized that if I'm doing it for some other company, why not करें? Why not initiate it with my own firm? And I definitely wanted to do. तो ऐसे everyone needs a head start, everyone needs a kick start to begin with their dream. I also wanted that. So I do have a mentor, as every person has in their life. I also have a mentor. He's Fazil sir. He actually pushed me to start with my dream. My first office was his office. I started from there. मतलब उन्होंने मेरे को बोला कि यार तेरे को करना है, तू कर रही है किसी और के लिए, अपने लिए क्यों नहीं करती. Then too I gave this idea a thought of 3 more months after him saying it. But वो ना एक दिन मेरे को जबरदस्ती बोले कि तू चुप करके चालू कर. And this is the office, you are sitting here and you are doing it. And then I thought कि यार जब इतना people are supporting me, इतना he is supporting me, then why I am lagging behind. And his support was way too much for me. Like I can't imagine कितना ज़्यादा he has supported for me. Like he has fought to a few people for me because I wanted to initiate a magazine. So that was enough for me, and I said कि ठीक है, I want to do, I am going to do. And that's how I initiated.
Okay. And what is the concept behind this name?
So the name is actually a color that defines luxury. This color is a merger of pink and purple. But the name has this another story. Like during the ruling period of Queen Victoria, Queen Elizabeth I, she denied everyone else other than royal family to wear the color purple. And of course, mauve is a shade of purple, so the color has a royal meaning to it. So I thought, why not going ahead with something? Definitely, I wanted to become a royal and luxury magazine. So I thought, if this defines luxury, I'm going ahead with this.
So people do understand the meaning of this thing easily? Or someone has already asked?
Pronunciations are very, very funny, you know. People have initiated with moe moe. And उसी time पे when I launched the brand ना, तभी ये moe moe वाला trend आया था. तो people started saying it like that. Then people do call it mauve, और भी बहुत सारे कुछ funny pronunciations होते हैं. I be like, अरे यार. But ठीक है. for magazines it has always been like that. अब Vogue को भी ना हम pronounce कर सकते हैं, but there are not so many people who can pronounce Vogue. There are not so many people who can pronounce Elle, Cosmopolitan. So this was a kind of marketing tactic where we made people वो दिमाग में रख लेना वो नाम को by pronouncing it every now and then. वो गलत pronounce कर रहे हैं, हम आके उनको correct कर रहे हैं, now they are pronouncing it again. That means that is actually striking their head in a way.
जो आपकी मैगजीन है इसका बेसिकली प्रोसेस क्या है, वर्किंग प्रोसेस क्या है, मीन्स टू होम यू कवर, और
We cover
स्पेसिफिक एनी फील्ड है जिनको कवर करते हो आप, या फिर सबको?
Abhi, the magazine is very vague. Like, Abhi, we are covering all the people who are actually dedicating somewhat to the society. Or they are doing something good to their particular field. So that's how we are covering everyone. Hamara major agenda is to focus on luxury brands. We had, for this edition, we have Bombay and Mercier. For previous edition, we had Bulgari. We have also interviewed Chef Ranveer Brar for our magazine. We had Jia Manek. We had a lot of celebrities in our magazine recently. मतलब ये एक साल में हमने I guess approximately 12 to 15 celebrities को cover किया है. Even before that, मतलब अभी जो हमारा recent December वाला edition था उसमें cover में प्रांजल कामरा था. So we have enough celebrities we are covering. That's why we are majorly focusing on luxury segment. We are trying to make this magazine enter into the luxury market and everything, and like the expansion plans are also happening. हम इंदौर तो on board हो गया है. We are also planning to go ahead with Mumbai very soon.
वेरी नाइस. जो आप इनमें लोगों को कवर करते हैं, लाइक हाउ यू डिसाइड, लाइक दे कम टू यू और यू गो टू देम?
देखो अभी it is just a year, तो we need to actually make a name stronger. तो अभी during the initial period, during the 6 months of a magazine, we used to go to the people.
Okay.
सबके पास. And after 6 months, like अब जो turnout होता है 30% they come to me, they come to us, and 70% we go to them.
ओके. एंड क्या रिस्पॉन्स रहता है जब आप किसी को अप्रोच करते हैं तो?
हमारा ना I have been blessed enough for this particular scenario because we have never received no. Like, of course we have 90% of time. 90% of time we have received yes from everyone.
बीइंग इनटू सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म, आपको क्या लगता है कि सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म के थ्रू आपके करियर को आपने किस तरीके का सपोर्ट मिला है, और क्या एक्चुअली सोशल मीडिया पे रहने से करियर बनता है?
Of course. See, अभी influencers को छोड़े भी, if there are so many influencers around there, but right now the time is building trust. Time is of building trust. The face value matters more than the brand value these days. So I think that's definitely a scenario where we can go ahead with social media. And if in terms of magazine, people are still calling us that how you are going to go ahead with printed version where, like, the world is going digital. Why you are going for paper, and why you are going for the printed? Why you are not launching digital? But I would like to tell everyone that we have digital versions too, but you guys are not reading that. That means you like the printed versions too, right? If a book reader is actually scrolling some books over internet, they are not getting the vibe as compared to the vibe they are getting from those pages. That's what the scenario of magazine is. Like, definitely the social media is helping, the digital media is helping people grow, but उससे ज़्यादा offline channels आपको grow करने में help करते हैं. Because अभी भी why we are going ahead with outdoor marketing, even if we are going for outdoor marketing ना, then to जो digital चीजें हम use कर रहे हैं उस चीज को लेके, like there are so many digital signages that are happening. वो digital signages को भी हमको रखना है किसी particular place पे, so that people can see. That means हमको user से direct contact चाहिए. तो definitely जितना भी हम digitalize हो जाएं, we will always be bounded to stay with our foundations. So दोनों का merger अगर हो तो that is very good for the growth. Along with that, magazine का ना till 2030 the CAGR is 11%. That means the market is going to grow way too much for next 7 to 8 years. So I think even the printed and digital versions are both equally going to grow.
और इन सब like from social media thing, आपको लगता है कि what you were seeking for वो आपको मिल रहा है?
There's dialogue from Om Shanti Om. ये मेरा फेवरेट है. So I am a big fat believer of law of attraction. कभी भी कुछ भी आप चाहो आपको मिल ही जाता है. तो कभी किसी चीज को दिल से चाहो तो पूरे कायनात उसे तुमसे मिलाने की साजिश में लग जाती है. And that's what has happened to me. And I am literally, I don't know how to actually announce it everywhere that I am actually blessed. Whatever I have ever asked for or I have ever dreamed of, either I have created all of it by myself or I have given it as a gift. Either from God or from my parents or from the people around me. I have gotten it all. Abhi tak I don't regret in not getting anything. I have gotten it all.
Good. Family आपके ये काम को शुरू से समझती आई है?
फैमिली को नहीं समझ आता ये काम.
Because my mother also, she don't understand what is podcast and why I'm doing this all. So this is my major question for every content creator or influencer कि do their family also understand the same thing or they don't?
See, क्या होता है कि फैमिली को बस एट द एंड ये देखना चाहिए कि आपका बच्चा इज ग्रोइंग. If they see the growth, they will definitely help you out in any way possible. When I initiated, एकदम initial time पे ना उनको पता ही नहीं था मैं क्या कर रही हूँ. They were like, कर रही है, कुछ तो कर रही है. But they never said no. मतलब they never restricted me to do anything. They have always been helpful. So yeah, I'll say कि अगर आपको कुछ करना है and if you're just giving 2 to 3 years to that particular work, you'll definitely grow and your family will start appreciating. Or never ever go against your family because at the end they'll only help you out in growing more.
So you have did a event recently, Luminara. उसका कैसा response रहा?
हमने ना
वो कॉन्सेप्ट आपके माइंड में क्यों आया?
So, as I was associated with Mumbai and like I am associated with fashion, I have been associated with fashion and everything. And I know a lot of people here in Raipur who are willing to go ahead with some insightful sessions, but they are not able to find those insightful sessions here in Raipur. And that all of these things are happening there in Mumbai and Delhi and everywhere else. बट यहाँ नहीं हो रहे थे.
एग्जैक्टली क्योंकि व्हेन आई सॉ दिस थिंग इन योर पेज और वाया फ्रॉम समवन, तो मुझे ये चीज तभी समझ में आई कि अभी मैंने ऐसा कुछ सुना नहीं रायपुर में, किसी ने किया नहीं है कुछ.
इवन रायपुर में क्या जो हमारा कॉन्सेप्ट है वो अब तक कहीं नहीं हुआ है. Because what we did was we created a fashion and marketing summit where we made fashion people meet marketing people, so that अब marketing वालों के लिए they are getting the network to getting a networking to fashion people, and fashion people are understanding what are marketing aspects are happening around. And then I gave a platform to designers to launch their garments, and you know the 3 garments got on the spot sold. वो collection जो launch हुए और वो उसमें से 3 garment on the spot they were actually booked, and I was very happy that Raipur people do understand the concept of collection showcase as well. So yeah, we had very good designers on board with us. We had Prachi Bhatia, we had Runit Gupta, we had Gunja's Chicken Curry, we had Ankit Verma and Global Dehati too. So these 5 designers, they worked way too nicely. Like for the first time, they showed the trust as well. क्योंकि ऐसा कुछ हुआ ही नहीं है. Then too, they were happy being part of Luminara. That was a, like, you know, I'll say that was a very big moment for us because they showcased their trust and they actually did. There was a flawless conversation with all of them. Along with that, sponsors, you know, Divine Art was a sponsor. Although being a tile post people, they gave the sponsorship for a fashion and marketing summit. And even from our side, we also gave them an entire panel of architects and the other related fields, so that they can also gain the prospects from them. So yeah, I'm very blessed that happened. So the summit is, I told you that was a runway showcase along with fashion and marketing summit where we got 170 लोगों का टर्नआउट. वी एक्सपेक्टेड 250 पीपल, बट या ठीक है, फर्स्ट इवेंट के लिए इफ वी आर नॉट गेटिंग एनफ तो दैट्स इज फाइन.
So you're planning to do it again?
Yeah, we are planning to do it again in July. Right now, our next plan is 8th March ko we are doing Women Entrepreneurs Meet along with Award Night Gala, and we are also launching a special editions via that. That will be totally focused on women, and ये हम हर साल launch करने का plan कर रहे हैं.
This one. Okay, so काफी सारे questions तो I have covered and बहुत सारे तो बच्चे भी रहते हैं. Being into this all journey, do you feel low someday?
Of course. See, I am this person who doesn't like to interact with a lot of people. I'm someone who is introvert by heart and extrovert by work. So, the introvert inside me just chases for the solitude. It is always looking for, to get a breathe after running away from people and just have वो जो 10 मिनट में ना ब्रेक लेना पड़ता है to get a सांस, because नहीं हो पाते इतने सारे लोगों से everyday meeting and everything is way too difficult. So yeah, I do like to have those. I do give myself every day 2 hours, 1 hour in the morning, 1 hour in the evening, where I am just doing nothing, drinking, making green tea for myself, drinking it, and giving myself enough time whenever I feel like, whatever I feel like doing. I am a big fat book reader. I love reading too. मेरे पास एक मिनी लाइब्रेरी है मेरे ऑफिस में ही, where I have 150, more than 150 books, and I read those, or I binge watch, or
I do used to see your status and stories like books and flowers most of the time.
I love sunflower too.
So many times I have seen that. So reading is your which uplift?
Reading and dancing too.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you motivate yourself with this?
There's one more thing. I love kids. I just scroll baby videos whenever I'm feeling like, अभी मेरा मूड खराब हो रहा है, जैसे ही मेरे को पता चलेगा मेरा मूड खराब हो रहा है, बच्चों को स्क्रॉल करना चालू करती हूँ.
Okay. ठीक है. जैसे अब आप रायपुर में हो, आपने बताया जैसे आप बाहर से हो और आप रायपुर में आए, फिर आप रायपुर में हो, तो आपको यहाँ के वर्किंग पैटर्न में अगर कुछ चेंज करना हो?
See, everyone is doing their own way. I don't feel like changing anything in working pattern. It's just people need to be a bit more professional, a bit more. See, अगर हम मुंबई में check करें ना, मुंबई का work culture, what it is like. If yes is yes, if they are saying yes to something, they will be on the spot saying yes or no. Here what they do is देखते हैं, समझते हैं, सोचते हैं, तो you just need to start saying bluntly yes or no, so that it will be an easy work process for everyone else to go ahead.
ऐसा हुआ है आपके साथ समटाइम्स कि आपको कहीं कुछ नेगेटिव फेस करना पड़ा हो?
होते हैं, but if we'll focus on positive, then positives will start happening all together. तो negatives को भी I prefer forgetting.
ओके. तो जो लोग कंटेंट में आना चाहते हैं उनको आपका क्या सजेशन है? एक मेरा ये भी सवाल था कि आप कॉन्सेप्ट कैसे रेडी करते हो?
Concept for magazine?
Yes. For whatever you do in internet, social media platform, so उसका आइडिया आप ही के माइंड में आता है और आपके
मैं कुछ नहीं करती हूँ, मैं लिटरली कुछ नहीं करती हूँ. I just throw all of my ideas to my team. Now my team has to do whatever they want to do. I'm just calling them and telling them कि यार ये करने का मन है मेरा, अब बताओ कैसे करना है, and they will like हो जाएगा. कैसे होता है क्या होता है वो उन लोग को पता, बस हो जाता है.
Okay. तो being into this age, you have a team, sets of team members. How many members are working?
We have 12 people right now.
Okay.
Yeah.
और कैसा फील होता है 12 लोगों के साथ काम?
बच्चे हैं मेरे सारे. I am Jagat, what we call Jagat Mata or Jagat Didi. I am सार्वजनिक दीदी. They call me दीदी.
Okay. तो ऐसा कभी सोचा था कि ये इसी तरीके का करूंगी, मतलब ऐसे ही team?
I thought I'll become Miranda Priestley, but नहीं हो पा रहा है. I have just created a familiar bond with all of them. Now they are like family to me.
तब हो पाता जब आप मुंबई या दिल्ली में होते.
Exactly.
ये प्रोफेशनल लोग आपको वहीं मिलते. रायपुर इज नॉट फॉर प्रॉपर प्रोफेशनल पीपल्स. यहाँ के लोगों में प्यार बहुत ज्यादा है.
Exactly. But I'm blessed to have this team because, you know, people are craving to get my team on board with them. I have seen this. Like, people are calling me every now and then and saying, "Tu kahan se लाई है ये team? We are not getting this team. We want people like that." And from the day one, I don't know how they have become a family to me.
ओके, तो आप कंटेंट का भी मुझे बता रहे थे कि आप किस तरीके से, मतलब
तो what happens is हम ना हमारा अभी हमने ईयर कैलेंडर लॉन्च कर दिया है. So what we do is we figure out the occasions, the like, you know, the seasons that are going on around. Accordingly, जैसे कुछ ट्रेंड चल रहा हो, we just brainstorm a lot. हमारा major time we waste in brainstorm only. So by brainstorming together, by thinking out some ideas, like everyone, I as I told you, I'm not doing anything. They serve me the ideas and I just approve. All my work here is to say yes or no. They do all of these things. Brainstorming भी हो जाता है. इन लोग के पास आइडियाज की तो भरपूर रहते हैं. बच्चे हैं, जेंजीज कुछ भी उल्टी सीधी चीजें करते हैं, and then that becomes a trend. So I rely on them majorly. But you know, for like, definitely we are a business magazine in a way. So I prefer staying relevant to business people more than the Gen Zs and the these people, this new generation. So what I prefer is just figuring out हमारा R&D वाला प्रोसेस होता है. हम दूसरी मैगजीन्स को देखते हैं पहले कि उन लोगों ने क्या मिस किया है. सो लेट्स नाउ कवर दोज मिसिंग पॉइंटर्स, एंड उन मिसिंग पॉइंटर्स में से वी फिगर आउट वन थीम एंड वन कंटेंट आइडिएशंस एंड एवरीथिंग, एंड देन वी गो अहेड एंड डू वर्क ऑन दैट पर्टिकुलर सिनेरियो. तो वो हम मिसिंग चीज निकाल के कर लेते हैं.
जो आपको 2-3 तरीके के सजेशंस देने होंगे ऑडियंस को. एक तो ये कि इफ समवन वांट्स टू बिकम कंटेंट क्रिएटिंग, किसी को करना है ये, है ना, और इफ समवन वांटेड टू बिकम इन्फ्लुएंसर, और अगर किसी को मैगजीन सेगमेंट में जाना है, बिकॉज यू आर सेटिंग गोल्स टू समवन एल्स आल्सो, राइट, कि अगर आपको कोई देख रहा है तो उससे बहुतों के मन में अब आ रहा होगा ना, जैसे पॉडकास्ट स्टार्ट हुआ तो पीपल स्टार्टेड डूइंग द सेम थिंग कि ये मैं भी कर सकती हूँ, ये मैं भी कर सकता हूँ वाला. तो अब आपका कॉन्सेप्ट देख के लोगों के माइंड में ये भी कहीं ना कहीं आ ही रहा होगा कि मुझे करना चाहिए. तो इसके कुछ डू एंड डोंट्स हैं.
जब मैंने कंटेंट क्रिएशन जर्नी स्टार्ट किया था ना, तब तो ऐसा था कि आई ऑल्सो होस्टेड अ फ्यू वर्कशॉप्स रिलेटेड टू दैट कि हाउ यू कैन एंटर इनटू कंटेंट क्रिएशन. सो आई विल से कि डेफिनेटली every content is selling out there. You can sell all the content you are creating. Just make sure that you do not lose interest in that particular genre. क्योंकि आजकल ऐसे ही सिनेरियो चल रहा है. People do certain thing for a certain time, 5-6 महीने करेंगे, and then if they are not getting any return back, they'll drop that on the very instance. I'll say just stick to what you want to become and you'll become for sure. For the content is like, that's the need of era where actually कंटेंट क्रिएटर्स को तो बहुत ज्यादा वेट करना पड़ता है, और आपको पता भी नहीं चलेगा आपका कब कौन सा वीडियो वायरल हो रहा है. एंड एज सून एज दैट वीडियो गोज वायरल, यू विल स्टार्ट गेनिंग फ्रॉम दैट नाउ. तो जस्ट stay consistent with your work, what you are doing. The other thing is, even if you want to go ahead with content writing or something related to writing, because as of being a writer, I do understand that scenario, start selling your write-ups. There are a lot many companies that are hiring. AI of course is there, but you should learn how to use that particular AI to create better content than AI is doing. हमारा see, of course, being a magazine company, we do use AI. अगर हम AI यूज नहीं करेंगे तो हमको 3 और एक्स्ट्रा लोग हायर करने पड़ेंगे, and AI is giving it all for the like बहुत ही ज्यादा सस्ते अमाउंट में. And this generation is all about, if you don't know how to use technology, the people who know technology will steal your jobs. So I'll say be familiar with the technology, be familiar with AI, that will definitely help you out in growing and creating a good skill for you. And if you want to become a writer, there are a lot many prospects of becoming a writer. You can be a like editor, you can be a copywriter, you can be a content writer, you can be a बुक राइटर एंड एवरीथिंग. आप एक पर्टिकुलर फील्ड फिगर आउट करो एंड बी क्रिएटिव एज मच एज यू कैन विद दैट पर्टिकुलर फील्ड. एंड विथ मैगजीन, यार मेरे को मैगजीन करने के बाद ऐसा लग रहा है अब तो कोई भी कर लेगा, इतना डिफिकल्ट टास्क था नहीं जितना आई वॉज क्रिएटिंग. लाइक जो फर्स्ट पॉइंट रहता है ना, जब स्टार्ट करना रहता है, दैट्स वॉट द डिफिकल्ट पार्ट इज. दैट्स वेयर द डिफिकल्ट पार्ट इज. बस आपने अगर प्लान कर लिया आपको करना है, आप 3 मैगजीन्स अहेड, 3 editions ahead plan करके चलो and then initiate with that without giving it a thought, because it is very easy to do that, to do any business actually.
So, where you see yourself in next 5 to 10 years?
There's a lot of growth I'm seeing. See, we are also doing Luminara. एक साल में ही हमने 6 editions तो launch किए. That has no one has ever done that in Central India till now. लग्जरी मैगजीन्स में. अलॉन्ग विद दैट हमने इवेंट्स भी बहुत सारे कर लिए हैं. हमने अभी ल्यूमिनारा किया, दैट वाज अ ईयर एनिवर्सरी फॉर अस. तो अभी वी आर ऑल्सो प्लानिंग टू लॉन्च और मर्चेंडाइज, दैट इज वियोर. We are also launching events wala alag segment of us. We have also started creating community. So I'm planning to create an empire, and I'm pretty sure by 2030 it will be ready and you all can experience that empire of ours.
Nice one. So now we are into our last segment.
Yeah.
We have covered so many things, and so I'll ask a few quick questions to you. Which was the last trip you went for?
Except business, I haven't went to any trip. I'm not sure which one was that. Yeah, last business ही गई हूँ मैं. Indore I visited a few months back. नहीं, I visited Delhi a few months back.
Okay, and the last person you speed dialed, maybe the people is around.
I called her. I called her.
And the last selfie you took?
The last selfie I took, it was with my green tea. I'm a big fat coffee lover, by the way, but it was with my green tea. Yeah.
Okay. And the last book you read?
Right now I'm reading Ram from Amish.
Okay, so it was very nice talking to you, Priya. And I guess I have covered many things. और अगर कुछ छूट जाता है तो later on I'll cover you someday in your event, because
You are always welcome to all of our events.
I always tell this thing to my every guest कि it is not possible for me to cover entire thing in a single episode. So मेरा हमेशा से ये रहता है हर गेस्ट को कि for next time मैं पूरी कोशिश मेरी रहेगी कि if you are doing something somewhere तो I'll come and cover you from there, or I'll showcase your work from my team.
Even we would like to cover you हमारे women only edition में.
थैंक यू. थैंक यू सो मच. आपने अपना टाइम दिया और बहुत क्विकली हम कनेक्ट हुए और बहुत क्विकली हमारा ये हुआ. एंड आई विश यू, आप जहाँ जाना चाह रहे हो, जहाँ पहुँचना चाह रहे हो, और जो आपकी जर्नी है जो आपने स्टार्ट किया है, उसे उतना ही अप्रिशिएशन मिले और हम आपको बहुत आगे बढ़ता हुआ देखें.
Thank you so much.
थैंक यू सो मच फॉर बीइंग हियर. थैंक यू.